Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add keyframes to your green screen on CapCut PC. Select your video and select cutout, select chroma key, select the color picker and choose the light green part of the green screen, and make sure there isn't any green left. And then I'm just going to go to basic and I'm going to add in a background for it. I'm just going to add this one because it suits it the best. Choose the video and go back up. I'm just going to scale it a little bit like here, and I'm just going to put the video here. I'm also going to go to speed and make the video just a little bit longer, add smooth slow-mo and add optical flow to it and wait for it to process. You can also adjust it so it matches the background just a little bit more. Maybe it's a little bit too bright. I think that's good enough, honestly. And I'm just going to add in this adjustment, and I'm still waiting for the slow motion to fully process. Add in a keyframe here and a keyframe at the end of the video, and I'm just going to move the video like here, so it looks like the earth is like rotating around. And that is really it. You can add in like a shadow here, but that's not important. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!